Today we are going to talk about fun target game apps, and we are not just going to talk about playing the games. Today we are going one step further. I'll show you advanced tricks and strategies with which you can build your very own fun target game app. So ready to hit the bullseye? Let's jump in. Hello everyone and welcome back to your channel, and if you're new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about fun target games. So if you seriously want to know a lot of stuff about fun target games, then this video is for you, because today in this video I've covered very important insights which you will love to hear about. So let's get started. So today we are going to talk about fun target game apps, and we are not just going to talk about playing the games. Today we are going one step further. I'll show you advanced tricks and strategies with which you can build your very own fun target game app. So ready to hit the bullseye? Let's jump in. So what makes a fun target game really irresistible? It all comes down to three main things. Smooth mechanics which makes every tap feel satisfying, challenges, amazing and engaging challenges which will keep your users coming back for more, and obviously visuals, because who doesn't love popping and vibrant targets, right? And here's the best part. Here, with the right development strategies or development company, you can easily build this kind of game which will nail all these elements. Now let's talk about the first pro tip, mastering game logic. So here the heart of every fun target game lies in the scoring system. You want something that feels rewarding. Your users should be like, yes, I nailed that shot. So here to do this, use advanced algorithms which can handle the difficulty level. And here what you need to do is, you need to take it from easy levels and gradually add the difficulty level. And here's a bonus tip. Keep everything randomized. The target pattern should be randomized, because trust me, unpredictability will keep your games fresh and fun for your users. And yeah, don't forget about the bonus round. Everyone loves surprises. It are those small things which will take your game from mad to OMG. This is so fun. Next up, dynamic graphics and animation. So a great fun target game is not only about the gameplay. It's about the visuals which will make your users engaged on your application. So here adding visuals is very important. You should add different graphics and animation to make your overall application much more attractive for your users. And yes, don't forget to add that celebratory animation when someone wins. It will make them feel that they have really won something, making your game much more addictive and professional as compared to other games. And now let's talk about business, because your application isn't just a game, it's a revenue generator. So your smart monetization is the key. Here you can think of different revenue generation sources, but you can start with in-app purchases, where you can provide different things like power-ups or bonus-ups, or you can add bonus levels for in-app purchases, or you can also add customization in there. So in-app purchases is a great way to generate revenue. Plus we can go to advertising. So advertising is also a great way to generate revenue until and unless it is affecting your customer experience, because no one likes ads popping out during the matches or during the games, right? And then don't forget to add leaderboards, because your leaderboard will increase competitiveness on your application and people will come again to more for your application. And your more means more revenue generation opportunities for you. So these were the three main points. And now if you are ready to build your own fun target game app, then feel free to connect to us, because here in our company we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and right now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. So if you also want to build your own application or you want our app consultancy, then right now we are providing you 20 minutes free app consultancy services so that you can know how you can start your own application. Our contact number is given here. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description, and our contact number is also linked in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.